Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to check the businesses added in Clodify and how to add a new one. First we need to log in as an admin and go to Settings Businesses page. Here we can see the list of the actual businesses added, and here this green button you can see add a new business, so we can add a new one. We will add some test business to check test address. Okay, so I want Susan, and it will not be as a default. We'll save it. It was successfully added, and now we can see it here. So it was added. In the list of the businesses, we can see a new business. After that, if you want to change something, you can edit, delete if you don't need it, and check the payment. There are no payment methods. We can add it, and we can edit the information about the business. So this is the businesses page, and this is how you can add a new business in Clodify system.